Hi boys and girls, so I'm going to read 8.2 to you. So if you need to pause this video and go grab your 8.2 page and you can do it along with me. So they did number 1 for you and said, Mom asked, would you like to join me in baking a cake? So they did baking and they crossed it out. Jane said, yes Mom, I am blank, I can lick the bowl. I am doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping. Whatever you write in here, make sure you cross it out up here because you won't use it again. Number 3, Mom asked, are you blank your time with Mike? Are you doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping? Write it in the blank and then cross it out up here. Number 4, Jane said, I will be blank him a bit of cake. I will be doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping. Fill in the blank, write your answer, and cross it out up here. Number 5, Mom asked, what have you been blank at school? Is it what have you been doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping? Write your answer on the line and cross it out. And you should have one answer left. Jane said, we have been reading and blank. Doing, enjoying, giving, writing, hoping. Please save this page so that when you return to school you can give it to me. Have a good day. Bye.